The GoPro Max 2026. The leaked beast that's set to revolutionize how we film our lives. If you're an adrenaline junkie, a content creator, or just someone who loves cutting-edge tech, stick around because what I'm about to reveal will blow your mind. We're talking leaks straight from the insiders, features that sound like they're from a sci-fi movie, and why this could be the ultimate camera for 2026 and beyond. Don't click away, trust me. By the end of this, you'll be counting down the days until you can get your hands on one. Let's start by setting the stage. GoPro has been the king of action cameras for years, right? From the early hero models that let us strap cams to our helmets during epic ski runs, to the Max series that brought 360-degree magic into the mix. Remember the original GoPro Max from 2019? It was a game-changer with its spherical footage, HyperSmooth stabilization, and that ability to reframe shots like a pro editor. But fast forward to now, and the rumors are swirling about the GoPro Max 2026. Leaks have been dropping like hot potatoes from tech forums, insider reports, and even some blurry prototype photos that surfaced online. And let me tell you, if these leaks are real, and they sure look legit, this isn't just an upgrade. It's a total overhaul. Picture this. You're on a mountain bike trail, dodging rocks and roots at breakneck speed. With the current Max, you'd get awesome 360 views, but imagine if it could predict your moves, auto-edit in real time, and even integrate with your smart gear seamlessly. That's the vibe from these leaks. One of the biggest teases is the enhanced sensor tech. Sources say the GoPro Max 2026 is packing a dual-lens setup with 8K resolution per lens. Yeah, you heard that right, 8K. That means stitching together footage that's sharper than ever. Perfect for VR experiences or blowing up on massive screens without losing a pixel. But here's the kicker. It's not just about resolution. These leaks hint at AI-powered noise reduction that works in low light like never before. Think filming underwater at dusk or in a dimly lit concert hall, and the footage comes out crystal clear. If you've ever struggled with grainy night shots on older models, this could be the fix you've been dreaming of. Now, let's talk stabilization because that's GoPro's bread and butter. HyperSmooth has evolved over the years, but the 2026 version, leaks suggest HyperSmooth 5.0 with predictive algorithms. What does that mean? The camera anticipates shakes and vibrations based on your movement patterns. If you're snowboarding down a bumpy slope, it smooths out the footage proactively, not just reactively. Insiders are comparing it to having a built-in gimbal that's smarter than any on the market. And get this, there's talk of integration with drone modes. Imagine syncing your GoPro Max 2026 with a drone for hybrid aerial and ground shots, all controlled from your phone. If these leaks pan out, creators could produce Hollywood-level content without a massive crew. Battery life has always been a pain point for action cams, hasn't it? You're out on a hike, capturing that perfect sunrise, and boom, dead battery midway. Well, hold on to your seats because the leaks point to a revolutionary battery system in the GoPro Max 2026. We're hearing whispers of a 2,500 mAh cell with fast charging tech that juices up to 80% in under 20 minutes. But that's not all. There's supposedly an AI battery optimizer that learns your usage habits. If you film a lot in burst mode, it prioritizes power there. Or if you're into time-lapse, it conserves energy for longer shoots. One leak even mentioned modular battery packs you can swap on the fly, extending runtime to over 4 hours of continuous 4K recording. Imagine the freedom. No more cutting adventures short because of power woes. Durability is another area where GoPro shines, and the 2026 Max is allegedly taking it up a notch. Leaks describe a reinforced carbon fiber body that's waterproof to 50 meters without a housing. That's deeper than most divers go. Plus, shockproofing that's tested to survive drops from 10 meters. If you've ever cracked a lens on a rocky climb, this could save you hundreds in repairs. And for the eco-conscious folks out there, there's buzz about sustainable materials, recycled plastics, and biodegradable components. GoPro's pushing green tech, and these leaks suggest the Max 2026 will be their most environmentally friendly model yet. Let's shift gears to audio because visuals are only half the story. The original Max had decent mics, but leaks for 2026 talk about a 6-mic array with spatial audio capture. That means immersive sound that matches the 360 video. making you feel like you're right back in the action. Wind noise reduction, upgraded with machine learning to filter out gusts without muffling your voice.